all the respected teachers and my friends. We are playing Merchant of Venice, and I'm the narrator.
I'm Portia.
I'm Antonio.
I'm Shallow.
I'm Basari.
The action of the play takes place in Venice and Belmont. At the street of Venice, Antonio is in a melancholic mood. His friend Bassanio comes there and gives various reasons for his sadness and tries to bring him out of it. Enters Antonio.
In truth, I don't know why I'm so sad. It worries me, but how I got it, found it, and came by it, I'm yet to learn, but it troubles me a lot.
Enters Bassanio.
My dear Antonio, why are you becoming stranger to me? Forget Bassanio. Today you promised me to tell me something of. I know. You don't know. My main desire is to come out from my debt, in which my extravagant expenditure has landed me. I owe most of you. You know me very well, Bassanio, but out of doubt you do me more wrong now in making question of my uttermost. Then do, but say to me, what should I do? Therefore speak, Bassanio. You know, Antonio, in Belmont there is a lady. She is richly left. She is fair and fairer than that the world wondrous virtues. Her name is Portia. Nothing undervalued to Dato's daughter, Brutus Portia. You know, Bassanio, all my fortunes are stuck at sea. Neither I have money nor commodity. Go forth, try what my credit can do in Venice.
Second scene. Bassanio negotiates with Jewish moneylender Shylock, asking for 3,000 ducats. Antonio signs a bond that if the debt goes unpaid, Antonio will give Shylock a pound of his own flesh. Venice, a public place. Enters Bassanio, Shylock, and Antonio.
3,000 ducats? Well,
Yes, for 3 months, for which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound.
Antonio shall come bound.
Well, Shylock, shall we be beholding to you?
Let me take you to a notary, seal a bond. If you don't repay me, then permit me for an equal pounds of your fair flesh of
What
your
are you
body.
saying, Shylock?
Yes, whatever you
Please,
listen.
no, Bassanio, I agree
I
with
don't need money.
I agree with Shylock.
Bassanio leaves for Belmont. At Belmont's palace, Portia's father, before his death, devised an unusual test, casket game. Whoever picks the right one gets the girl. Bassanio makes correct choice and wins Portia. But suddenly, the news of loss of Antonio ships come, and Bassanio left for Venice to save his friend's life. Trial scene in which Antonio is tried in a Venetian court of law. Enters Portia dressed like a doctor of laws. Portia to Shylock.
Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
The deed of mercy I spoke must die to mitigate the justice which you will follow the strict court of Venice. You must give sentence the merchant there.
My deeds upon my head. I crave the law, the penalty and forfeit on my bond.
Is he not able to discharge the money? Yes, here I tendered it for him in court. If he is not able to pay, I'll be 10 times over.
There is no bond the tongue of man to alter me. I stay here on my bond.
Are you balanced to weigh the flesh?
Yes, I am.
I have it. Come, Antonio. Have you anything to say? I'm armed and well prepared. Give me your hand, Bassanio. Antonio, you have to go under the knife.
that you can take a pound of flesh, but you can't take a Christian blood. If you take that, you have to submit your own property to the Venice.
Shylock declares he'll just leave. Portia asks Antonio for punishment.
What mercy do you render, Antonio?
Two things provided. One, he presently become a Christian, and second thing, after his death, he will give all the property to his daughter and his son-in-law.
I'm content. Give me leave to go from here. I'm not well.
Finally, everyone comes to Belmont. They get a letter that says some of Antonio's ships have come home with cash after all. The play ends with happiness for most of the characters except Shylock. Thank you.